Do we have bondage yet?
Not yet. 10 more days.
Right here. Daddy. You fell over, you goose.
Push Daddy. What's today's date?
December something.
Oh, good. December 16. That's what it is. December 16.
What?
And it's a snowy day outside. It's 2007.
Big snowstorm.
Big snowstorm. Goosey's 18 months old.
No church today.
No church. And what happened?
She's got a full diaper and it's getting squished around and
Squished it around. Well, Daddy, I don't know why Daddy's not changing it.
I've got chores to do. I'm doing chores over there. Ah! But look, balloons. Andy has 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. There he is. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. One, two, three. No. Up. Okay.
Did you get Daddy? Did you knock over your Daddy? You went down and boom?
1, 2, 3.